morning peeps. So time now is about 7:45, so we left quite late this morning. This is the albergue where we stayed last night, and we're in Zubiri and we're heading, it's our last day of walking, we're heading to Pamplona. Let me just change wrists, that's better. So heading to Pamplona, so it's going to be about a 14-mile day, something like that. The early birds caught the worm and they left. So we've got John, Debbie and Hayley left at 6 o'clock this morning. I don't think they've quite mastered the art of squirreling quietly, but that was quite good fun this morning. There you go, we're going to go over there. So I said goodbye to them as the last day today. It's a bit like saying goodbye to my school children, you know. It's like, oh, bon Camino, have a good day. And they're on their own today, so that's what this is all about for me, is to give them a taste of the Camino so that they can go ahead and do the rest of this on their own, which they've got no problems doing this on their own. Right, onwards. Hello. Hola. Okay, so this is where we are. So we're at Zubiri today and we're walking 22.8 kilometres all the way to Pamplona.
So our first stop is 2.6 kilometres away.
Yeah, so I think we're going to
go to the
maybe have a break here.
Arsena?
Yeah, I don't think there's much here in these little dinky villages.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah.
The small things you see, discovering a home again. When the day fades away and there's nothing left to say, I read your thoughts out loud.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see this little place here. We're a couple of miles outside Zubiri and the guy there is just totally fascinated. He's been telling us about this like church that we need to go to, where it's slightly off track a little bit, but it's the only place on the whole Camino where you're allowed to actually ring the bells. So we're going to go and do that, and he's also given us some advice when you get to the picnic area. Apparently the nuns have put arrows on the floor which takes people up to a church, and then they've done additional arrows that go all the way to Pamplona, which most people follow, but that's not the traditional Camino. I've done this twice, and I've done that nun route twice thinking that that's the Camino. So the actual Camino, the proper Camino, is alongside the river. So we're going to get there, see what happens, and yeah, this time round I'm going to do the traditional Camino. So for Caron. So we've made the decision, we've got to the luge like that guy said, and we could go up and over the mountains, which I've done twice, but apparently the traditional route is along the river. So what are we guys going to do?
Walk along the river.
God, that's more or less scripted, that isn't it? Right, let's go, I'll show you along the way.
Watching how the tide comes in, dreaming of a boat setting sail.
Yay!
Free, go for it.
Found my better me in the small things you see, discovering a home again.
Yay, okay, we made it. We've just got into Pamplona, Old Town. We're just coming through, I think this is an old drawbridge or what it is. So we're going to make our way up to the cathedral now, go and find our backpacks and have a well-deserved glass of wine. We did it!
Yes.
That's another Camino over and done with. Bon Camino.
And all our dreams feel so real. Good time.
With kettle and hob things for coffee. This is a fabulous living room. SpongeBob SquarePants. We all sat here last night playing cards, which is lovely. Some very strange things on the wall, which is a bit weird. Right, let's take you through so you can see how big this is. It was like 100 quid for all of us. We have, this is Julie's room. So this is where she stayed last night. Big double bed. Some more strange pictures on the wall. Not keen on the pictures. Becca's in that bathroom there. This is my room. All my stuff's in here, but actually I didn't sleep in here. We ended up having another kit. I'm not that keen on these
Not that
phones.
she slept in her room.
I didn't sleep in my room. So I snuggled up with Rachel in her room.
She didn't give me a choice.
So that's that room, and then Becky has another room here. Becky stayed in here. Isn't this great? That's it, that's where we stayed.
Drown in golden hours, and all our dreams feel so real.